So this question says the volume of a sphere is given by the formula. I always like to write formulas and equations down when they're given, so I'm going to rewrite this. It is V equals 4/3 pi r cubed, where r is the radius of the sphere. Which of the following gives the radius of the sphere in terms of the volume of the sphere? So anytime I see this wording in terms of, pay attention to what came before, right? So radius, and then obviously what's coming after, which is volume. And all that means is whatever came before you want to isolate, right? So r equals, and whatever comes after is the variable that you want on the right-hand side of the equation, basically. So in essence, this question is asking us to solve for r. Okay, so we have this v equals 4/3 pi r cubed, but I want r to be isolated. So I'm going to, first of all, divide everything by pi. So now I have v over pi equals 4/3 r cubed. I can now multiply both sides by 3/4. And by the way, there's many ways to do this. I could have combined these last two steps into one step. Nothing wrong with that, right? So I have this. Those cross cancel on the right-hand side. And now on the left-hand side, I'd have 3v over 4 pi equals r cubed. And lastly, to get r alone, I need to cube root both sides. Right, so cube rooting the right-hand side basically gets rid of that and that, leaving me with just r, which is exactly what I want. And the cube root on the left-hand side cannot be simplified, so it's going to remain the cube root of 3v over 4 pi. And now looking at my answer choices, that means that the correct answer here is choice D.